From the sun-soaked fields of the tropics comes the world's most essential energy. This is the journey of
Harvesting begins at the peak of sucrose content, ensuring every stalk of Crystapure cane is bursting with natural sweetness.
The extraction process begins. Under immense pressure, the raw sucrose juice is separated from the fiber.
Check the lower gauge reading, please.
It's holding steady, readings match the tablet data.
Evaporation removes excess water, concentrating the juice into a rich, golden syrup, ready for crystallization.
Precision drying is the secret. By suspending the sugar in a bed of warm air, Crystapure achieves its signature diamond-like sparkle. Every batch of Crystapure is tested for 99.9% purity, ensuring the chemical formula of sucrose is perfectly preserved. In the world of Crystapure, perfection is measured in milliseconds. Optical sensors scan every grain to
Temperature control is vital. By cooling the crystals, Crystapure ensures every bag remains free-flowing from the factory to your kitchen. Efficiency meets precision. Every Crystapure pack is handled with robotic accuracy to ensure it arrives in perfect condition.
From a single stalk of cane to a global commodity, Crystapure is ready to travel the world, one shiny crystal at a time. Whether in retail packs or industrial bulk, the purity of Crystapure remains the global benchmark for excellence.
Behind every shiny crystal is a world of data. Our engineers monitor every molecule
The rhombohedral structure is flawless at 5000x magnification.
Confirmed. The geometry should maximize light reflection.
From the giant mill to your home, every grain of Crystapure brings the same promise.
Crystapure, turning the power of nature into the brilliance of the crystal. Purely sugar, purely perfect.